We can't control the weather, and sometimes when we're shooting, the foreground can be awesome, but the sky itself can be lacking. Well, there's an easy way to add just some clouds to add a visual element in that area. First, I'm going to go to the search bar at the top left in Perfect Effects 4 and start searching for clouds. There, I'm going to apply a texture called Dark Clouds. Now this texture applies clouds across the whole image, but I really only wanted to apply it to the sky itself. So I'm going to start by taking the masking bug and then clicking over here on the lower portion of the frame. I'm going to make it so that the sky disappears from the foreground. I'm also going to drop the feather so that the mask itself is very, very sharp in terms of the edge. Now, I'm going to go to the masking brush, and I'm going to make sure that my mode is set to paint out. I'm going to start removing the sky. Now notice how I'm not being too careful, even with a perfect brush available, about getting that edge there. I'll show you why in a second. Now, the key here is the strength of that cloud layer. I'm going to bring it down to 0, and I'm only going to add just a bit, just so that there's some sort of discernible pattern here. The overall scene itself is too bright, so this is not the only thing I'm going to do. I'm going to go and click Add, and then I'm going to go and search for one of my favorite textures called Rice Paper Light. There it is. Now I'm going to scale that texture out and change the mode from normal to darker. And so you can see the combination of the texture of Rice Paper Light with the clouds gives you a much more appealing image.